So hello everyone, welcome back to another video and sorry for the gap. Actually I didn't post any videos since last 2 or 3 days I think. Let's begin. We are going to discuss some other concepts today also, and I hope you guys are doing well and learning well. So the first thing we will check select all from apply. Okay. So what this will give? This will give us all the rows and columns from the employee table. And so the situation is I have this name and department number together. Suppose here I have name and department number separate, but let's assume that I have these two columns concatenated. So let's create one table. What we will do to concatenate those name plus DPD number, this was concatenated and solid. Okay, so we got this concatenated column, and suppose I have that, I will give an alias to this. Okay, so we got this one. Now if I will sort by this concatenated column, so how this will return me? Okay, how this will return the results to me? I want to sort by these names, but I have these things also available in this column. So what I can do, I will place this in a temporary table td. To move into a temporary table, you just have to write at the end of the select statement, you just have to write into has whatever the table name you want to give. This will create one temporary table which is valued for this window only. For this window, suppose you are selecting new query, that temporary table will not work here. So for this thing only, this temporary table is valid. So if you are executing again and again, you need to also drop table command std. Okay, so how many times you will this thing, it will not give you an error. Okay, so these things will come. So what we will do to order by only name, I want to order by only name. So I can use one function. Okay, I can use one function. There is a function, we will use two functions together. So order by translate. There is a function called translate. What it will take? It will take the column name, concatenated column, or whatever string you have. Okay, then you need to give the set of numbers you want to replace with. Okay, suppose number or words or whatever. I have these numbers I want to order by name, so I have to remove these numbers. So what I will give 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, then I have to give the replacement for these things. What it will replace? It will replace by order. 0 comes, whatever you give in the first page, it will replace with that only. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Another has it. Okay. So this became the translate. Now what we will give? We will give the replace, comma. What we will use? We use the. We will replace the has with the space. Okay. With the space. So what it will do? Okay, let's, for a better understanding, I'll just control X and give a column. Okay, I'll execute this one. So what came? These words. Okay, only these words. But if I will copy here, you can see there is a little bit of space here. What I need to do? What I need to do? I need to remove this space. So what I can do? I will just trim. There is a function called trim. What this will do? This will remove the spaces around your column. Whatever space is there at the starting, at the end, it will remove that. You have also L trim and R trim, which removes specific space. Suppose there is starting space at the starting, then you will use L trim, and at the right side you have space, you will use right trim, R trim. Okay. I don't know why it is showing errors. Okay, my bad. Sometimes the error like this happens, silly error, silly things you miss, and you will find, you will search for everywhere what is the error, but there are some silly things that you miss. You can see it is ordering by the name. So if I will copy and paste here, you will see the result also, how this is ordering. You can see here it is ordering by A, B, C, D, E, F, whatever order it is there. Okay, if you will use here D, E, S, C, descending, it will order by descending orders. What if I want to order by these things, 30, 20, 10, whatever things are there? So what in this place I will use? I will use another replace. Replace. What I want to replace? Concatenated column. What I want to replace? This result. Okay, this result I want to replace with what? I want to replace, I want to replace by a space. So you guys know what this result, what this will result. This will result in this name. So I will again replace this name from this column with a space, so that remaining thing will be 30, 30, 20, 10, whatever is there, and it will order by that one. So let's see. You can see it is ordering 30 first, then 20, then 10. Okay, you can see here ordering does not matter because you removed order by this name. We are now ordering by this number. So I hope you guys understood how to use replace function and what is translate function. It is for SQL server. You can search equivalent function for MySQL and other things. Okay. So another one concept we will discuss today, because it is already a very long video. I do not want to take that much time for if you guys are comfortable, then I will try to make videos longer also, but I want to explain everything so that whoever is watching, he can understand it fully, like why you are using this, what is the result, everything. So next I want to order by some field on some specific conditions. Okay, I want to order by some specific condition. Suppose there are salesman, clerk, other things also there. So what I want to use, I want to order by, if in job column salesman is there, I want to order by commission. Otherwise whatever is there, I want to order by salary. Okay. So what I can write? I can write order by, you have seen how we use condition in select statement using case when. Here also you will use that. Case when job equals salesman, then come, means order by, if job equal to salesman, then order by commission, else order by salary. This much thing will end this here. Let's see how it is ordering. Okay, you can see first commission 0, then 1400, 300, 500. Okay, whatever is there. Then you can see salary. Okay, so you guys must be wondering what is here. Here we can't understand anything. How the ordering happened? 0, 1400, 300, 500. Okay, let's check this column. Let's check this statement. What it is like, what it is returning. As if it will be, if it was a column, what it can be. Let's see. So you can see 0, 1100, 1300, 1400, Okay. So I think there are some spaces, but you guys must be overall understood this thing, how this is working. If you need to order by some condition, then you can use case when in order by clause, and it will come perfectly.